Hi, I'm Jamie Widener with Kleen-Rite Corporation. I'm here with Jacob Schroeder from Hydro Systems, and we are going to talk to you about the AutoDose systems from Hydro Systems. So, Jacob, what do we have here?
Yeah, so here we're looking at two different AutoDose systems, but essentially the same unit. We have one that's a wall-mounted unit and one that's a pail-mounted unit. Okay. And so you can also have these units be battery-powered because oftentimes they're not located near a outlet. But we also have a unit where you can plug into a wall and it's powered by that. So I should probably explain about what these are. These are for drain dosing. So restaurants, kitchens, you may end up with a whole bunch of fat down the drain, and it's either clogs the drain or it smells really bad. So a lot of times we'll see some sort of enzyme cleaner in here that's dosed periodically, once a day, twice a day, up to 24 times a day, just to help keep that fat down and just let it drain. So helps with smell and blockages. It's like a PM.
Perfect. Okay. So a customer has one of these and it's up and running for a little while. What's the maintenance cycle look like?
Yep, so this is a peristaltic pump. So with any peristaltic pump, you're going to have squeeze tubes that over time, they become more stiff as they get older. They can pump less chemical. So every 6 to 12 months or sooner if it's a highly aggressive chemical, or if it's a high use site, you're going to replace that squeeze tube. But other than that, if you have batteries, you'll need to replace those when needed. But you have squeeze tube and batteries if you have a battery operated unit.
Fantastic. Okay. So if you're interested all in the AutoDose system or any other items from Hydro Systems, what can be found at our website, which is cleanritedelusions.com. Certainly any questions, I'm happy to help. You can reach me at jwidener@cleanrite.com or by phone at 800-233-3873. My extension is 282. Thanks so much for watching.